Hello dear students. Yesterday we have discussed about electric components. So today we are going to study what is circuit diagram and how to draw it. Okay, let's start with the circuit diagram. So when we join all the electric components, that is cell or battery, switch, bulb with a wire, when we join these all components systematically, that is called circuit, and we can represent it through a diagram, this type of diagram that is called circuit diagram. So here you can see how to start making a circuit. First of all, we will take a wire, a switch and a cell. Then we'll start combining the cell with the switch with the help of a wire. Next step, we'll put one bulb here, and these all things are combined like this: switch with the bulb, and then it is connected with the cell through a wire. Okay, so here our switch is in off position, means it is not switched on. When the switch is in off position, the bulb will not glow. Here the bulb is not glowing. This type of circuit is called open circuit or incomplete circuit. Means in which bulb is not glowing, that circuit is incomplete. Means current flow is not completed there. So how to draw this in a diagram? Let's see. We can represent the cell like this. As yesterday also we have discussed, we represent the cell with the positive and negative line, and the longer line represents the positive terminal and the shorter line represents the negative terminal. And then here you can see the cell, we have drawn cell here. Then it is combined with the switch. So switch, yesterday you have done switch on and off position also. How to draw it? Here it is combined with the switch. Then here down the cell is combined with the bulb. So you already know how to draw the symbol of the bulb. And then these all are connected with the wire. So this type of circuit is called open circuit or incomplete circuit. When switch is in off position, means switch it's not switched on, the bulb will not glow. Let's study the another type of circuit, that is called closed circuit. So here you can note down the definition of open circuit. If current does not flow through a circuit, then it is said to be incomplete or open circuit, and the switch is in off position. Okay, next is the closed circuit. Closed means, as the name suggests, means it is complete or the circuit is closed. So here the only difference between open and closed is, here the switch is in on position, means it is working when the switch is pressed in the on position, and the current will start flowing from the cell. It will go to the switch, and through there it will be transferred to the bulb, and the bulb will start glowing. Here you can see the bulb is glowing. So this type of circuit is called closed circuit or it is complete circuit, and here the switch is in on position. So you must remember, when the switch is in on position, the circuit is closed and the bulb glows. Whereas on the other hand, if the switch is in off position, the bulb doesn't glow and the circuit is called incomplete circuit. I'm sure you are clear with these two concepts. These are very important diagrams to draw as well as concepts. Have a nice day. Thank you. Please like the video if you like it, and do subscribe the channel.